That's it.
Okay. I then approached one of these boys. I grabbed him and pushed him. He was he was armed with a revolver. Should I proceed?
Yes, revolver.
Okay, 38 special. I then ran out to look for help.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jonas. That's what I wanted to put it to you, ma'am, that even Longwe, in his statement, mentioned a 38 special revolver.
Uthi yilokho ke bengifuna ukutshela kona ukuthi noLongwe ke kwistatement sakhe ukhuluma ke nge38 revolver. Le statement bengicela ukuthi angisifunde ke sakho uLongwe thwala lesithi ke kwesikhathi kwakungu8 ebusuku nge24:10:26 kwangena ke abafana ababini angabazi wase wezwa ke omunye ekhuluma noma esho ukuthi ekaphansi amafoni kanye nemali ngase ngiphusha ke oyedwa kubona ngambamba ngabona ongamphusha ke ngabona ukuthi wayephethe i-revolver i.38 special ngabalekela ngaphandle ke ngiyofuna usizo.
Is this the longer who's supposed to have shot the deceased?
I beg your pardon?
Is that the longer who's supposed to have shot the deceased?
That's the
Does he mention it that he
that's
shot
the
the
version
deceased?
that I put to her.
No. The version you put was that Meiwa, the deceased, was trying to separate Longwe. Is that the Longwe you're talking
That's
about?
correct, yes.
And Zandi.
And Zandile.
Now I'm saying, when he says it's a 38, you put
Yes.
credence on that version.
It's
Except-
about the firearm, man.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
You remember Mr. Baloi said you only want to quote half a version. Am I correcting? Quoting you.
Indeed, my lord.
So you just want that portion which says revolver.
Yes.
You don't want the other portion.
I think
to be mentioned.
I've got now 3 to 4 statements,
No, fine.
and they are long, my lord.
No,
to the
I
extent
hear you.
that
I'm
if
just
I
saying
read all of them,
you just quoting
Spot.
a snippet.
yes,
Fine.
on that
No
aspect.
problem.
Thank you, man.
Manje mase siyabuza ukuthi lo Longwe manje okhulumayo la othi yena omunye walabantu bangena bayiphethe i.38 special yilo Longwe othi uma ngabe ufunda ke ngale istatement lesa ebesifundiwe uma ngeziphutha ke sakhe usifiso leso statement besithi ulo Longwe lo owayelwa noZandile umeyi noma usenzo ezama ukuhlukanisa bona wase uyadubuleka uyena manje lo Longwe lo othi la yena wabona omunye walabo abantu abangena ephethe i.38 special.
Thank
My
you.
Lord, I'm not the author of this statement, nor did I obtain a statement, my Lord, from the witness.
Akusimina owabhala lesi statement lesi ke siqeda ukufunda sakhe uLongwe noma futhi akusimina owathola noma wathatha istatement kuyena uLongwe.
Thank you. May I refer you to A10 of Tumelo Madlala's statement in paragraph 5. Sorry, in page 2 of paragraph 5. The same statement was commissioned. It's A10, Tumelo Madlala's statement, paragraph 2, page 2 in paragraph 5. You see,
I'm still waiting for the statement.
it's paragraph 5 of page 2. 810.
I have the statement.
Do you see paragraph 5? Can you please read it for me? Just to place it.
It's not an easy handwriting to read.
Yeah? It's not easy.
It's not
to
an
read.
easy handwriting.
Do you have the typed one, Mr.? No. All right. We'll figure it out. May I refer you to page to A110, 110. Is the same person, Tumelo Madlala, in paragraph 4.
A110, yeah.
A110, not 810. The first one I said 810, now this one is A110. In paragraph 4. Sorry, my lord, there is pressure on this eye.
There's what?
There is pressure. It is
On whose eye?
for this eye. There are a lot of pains now. In
So?
no, I will proceed with this one, but just to indicate it that there's
You
a
want us to
problem that
adjourn?
I'm having. We can only do these statements then, my lord, so that I can attend to this. It's too much pressure. It's paragraph 4.
I can see paragraph 4, my lord.
Can you please read it for me, if Mr. Jonas can?
Okay.
Huh?
Paragraph 4 reads as follows. On A10 statement, I indicated to the police officer who was taking my statement that the firearm which the suspect was carrying was a firearm with a wheel in the middle. I didn't say the firearm was a .38 special. I think the police officer, with his knowledge of firearms, made conclusion that the firearm I was referring to in my explanation was a .38 special.
Thank you. This is also what I wanted to place it on record.
Lana ke ifundeka ngalendlela ke lo fakazi lona uTumelo Brian Madlala kwistatement sakhe esimanje ibhalwe uA110 uthi ke ulungisa lokho bekubhalwe kulesinye istatement ebengakwazi ke usifunda uthi ke kwistatement sami esiu810 ngithe kwiphoyisa elalibhala phansi istatement sami ukuthi isibhamu umsolwa awayesiphethe kwakuyisibhamu esasi nesondo maphakathi nendawo angikaze ngisho ukuthi isibhamu leso kwakuyi.38 special ngicabanga ukuthi iphoyisa lona ngolwazi elinalo lweyibhamu yena ke wase efinyelela ke noma efinyelela ekuthini ke leso sibhamu leso kwakuyi engangikhuluma ngaso mina kwakuyi.38 special.
What
My
does that
lord,
mean?
this is not.
Sorry? Okay. Yeah, okay, answer.
Oh, my lord, this is not my statement, and I did not obtain the statement from the witness.
It's not your statement.
Akusona istatement sami lesi futhi akumina owasithatha kuyena ufakazi le statement.
This statement, Tumelo was describing the type of a firearm that those people were in possession of. When he was giving that description of the firearm, the police officer that he was narrating it to is the one who concluded that it was a 38 special.
Lana uTumelo yena wayechaza ke isibhamu lesi yena ke athi labantu babesiphethe iphoyisa ke lona ekuyilona elalibhala elathi uma lichaza isibhamu leso ke lasichaza njenge-38 special.
I cannot comment, my lord, because it's not my statement.
Angikwazi ukuthi ngingaphawula ke ngoba akusona istatement sami.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
My Lord, I was requesting the matter to stand down until tomorrow.
You want us to stand down until?
Tomorrow, my.
What's the problem, Mr. Mgomezulu? What is your problem?
My problem, my Lord, is this eye.
What about the eye?
I have to put the drops, so I didn't bring my drops.
What are your drops? Cypher Blue.
Yes.
I've got Cypher Blue.
Okay, may I have it, my Lord? Sorry.
Hello, Rose. On that. Come on, right. I'm drawing ill. What else do you want? I'm also a doctor, by the way.
Insist, man. Yeah, because it's painful, this thing. Yeah? I was going to tell him my drops. These are my things. You want me to go on? Which one? Mr. Sibanda has given me the same medication. May I request?
What is it? It's not hygiene, is it?
Fusion optic.
Fusion optic.
Yeah.
You can go outside and apply it.
Yes.
We'll wait for you. What does that eye fusion do to your eyes? There's nothing like that. Pain. They just they clear your veins. If you have red eyes because of whatever, overreading. But when you have a pain in your eye, you must go and see an optician. There's no siyavuma madoda une pain elihlweni vumani madoda siyavuma. An optometrist, then you go and see an optometrist when Mr. ngeke kulaphe lento le.
Ophthalmologist.
No, it's not an ophthalmologist, an optometrist. You don't.
They referred me to the
There's a
ophthalmologist.
difference between the two. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So can you go on now?
Yes, I can go on. At least it's subsiding.
Okay.
Ma'am, now let's get into. It has been placed on record, and I'm going to prove in defense that a firearm that was used to
No,
kill.
he's already used muti. That one is not muti.
No, it's fine. Is 38 revolver special,
Yeah.
and that 38 revolver special did not leave the cartridges on the floor when those shots were fired.
My Lord, according to my knowledge, as I said, there were instances where Brigadier Gininda will brief me and maybe other documents will be brought under my attention. But what I know, my Lord, is that it's not a 38, it's 90 millimeter, my Lord, according to the ballistic expert.
Manje ke engizokwenza ukuthi ngikutshengiseke noma ngivezeke ukuthi ke isibhamu esasetshenziswa ke laphana kwakuyiyona ke i38 special lena I revolver nokuthi futhi ke yona uma kudutshulwa ngayo amagobolondo awasaleli noma awawi phansi kodwa asalela ngaphakathi kusona ke isibhamu nanjengoba bengishilo ke ngaphambilini ukuthi ke bekumane igameka la khona ke uBrigadier Gininda abengitshela ukuthi kwenzekani ngesikhathi angitshengiseke mhlambe amaphepha noma ama document athize kodwa ke ngokwaloko kwatholakala kungoti osebenza ngeibham ukuthi kwakuyi 9 mm eyasetshenziswa.
Okay, are you done?
I'm done.
May I put another question? Before the inception of this trial, did you have an opportunity as the investigating officers to interview the state witnesses, including the officers that attended to the scene on the 26th of October 2014? I'm referring to Sergeant Mtetwa and Matebula. Have you interviewed them?
My Lord, I have never interviewed them.
Ngaphambilini kokuthi ke icala leli liqale ukuthi liqulweke ingaba ofakazi nakhulumisana yenye nabo kanye namaphoyisa ke ekuyilawo aya khona lapho kundawo yesigameko uMthetho noMathebula. Mina ke angaze ngikhulumisane noma nabo noma ngiba interview.
As the investigating officer, what was your role? What was your role in terms of the statements that I'm putting to you? What is your role? What was your role during the investigation?
My Lord, I have led evidence, my Lord, on my role on this matter.
Mayelana nestatement lezi engikubuza ngako wena ke okwakho kakuyini noma okwakho umsebenzi wawuyini mina ke ubufakazi bami sengibethuleleke ngokuthi kwakuyini mina ke engayenza ke kuleli cala.
Sergeant Mtetwa, who attended the scene, he made two statements. There's a statement he made, I think at 12 o'clock, after he attended the scene. The statement was half made in the house, and he finalized the statement at the police station. But he gave evidence relating to the crime scene. And the second statement was also made in 2018 by Mtetwa again. I'll tell you what is in those statements. When he attended the scene, he told this court that there was a lady, after he received a complaint, him, Mtetwa, and other two students, they attended the scene. Upon their arrival, they saw a lady. The lady told them that they went to that direction, pointing at the direction of a park. Are you aware of that?
My Lord, as I've said, there is a role which I have played, my Lord, with regard to this matter. And there are things which I know, there are things which I do not know, my Lord, simply because they were not brought into my attention.
Lana ke ngizokutshela okwakhulunywa uMthethwa ke uma sebefika ke la isigameko senzeka khona ke ukuthi kwakuyena hamba nozakwabo kanye nabanye ke amaphoyisa ke ayesaqala ke noma ke kuthiwa ama students bahlangana ke nalomama othize owabakhomba ke wathi bagijime baya ngakulo liyahlangothi ingabe uyakwazi yini lokho bese ngifakazile ke ngasho ke ukuthi mina ke bekuyini owami umsebenzi kulecala leli kunezinto engizaziyo kunezinto engazazi engazangwe ke mina ke ngiyitshele noma ngizaziswe.
According to Mtetwa, I'm putting this to you as the investigating officer in this case, which I presumed that you had this knowledge. But I'm drawing to your attention to the fact that when they arrived, they found Themba Khumalo, who is the brother of Ma Khumalo, the mother of Sandy and Kelly. They found that man who actually opened for them to enter the house. And when they entered the house, they found a crutch and a head on the floor. Do you know about that?
My Lord, as I'm saying, if maybe you want me to open the statement, maybe you can refer to the index of the statement so that I can maybe refresh on what is on the statement, my Lord, because there's a lot of volumes, my Lord, on this case. So I cannot really comment as you are saying, because sometimes you put things which are not proper. So I don't want to say yes, I know, whereas maybe there's somewhere where you have twisted.
Lana ke aqhubeke ke umthetho athi bathi ke uma beya ke endlini bahlangana ke no Themba Khumalo ekungumfowabo ke kaMakhumalo umama kaZandi kanye noKelly Khumalo
Yeah, approach me.
base bebona ke khona lapho ke ecrash phansi. Ingabe uyakwazi yini lokho uma mhlambe ke ngingatshengiswa ke istatement ke ngoba ke kuyenzeka ngezinye inkathi ke usho into kanti ke akusiyona ke into eqondile kukhona la uyishintshe khona uma ungangikhombisa nje istatement mayela nalokho.
But I'm still perusing the statement. I just want to tell you that I'm a court official. I have no reason to misdirect this court. I have a fiduciary duty. Just a moment, my lord. May I just check there are two statements of Sergeant Mteto, the one for 2014 and the one for 2018. It's written. Do you have it, Mr. For the witness? I know what I'm asking.
As a court, please, my lord. I know we've allowed my learned friend to refer to the statements, but these witnesses have testified. We submitted the proper ways to refer to the relevant portions of the evidence and to cross-examine on that, and not on the basis of the statement which might have been qualified in places.
Yes, Mr. Mgamuzulu.
My lord, the witness has indicated that she did not interview Mr. Mteto, and she did not make the statement. And the relevant part of it is what we are seeking to do now, as the witness is asking me to refer her to that particular section. If, as they were they are still looking for the statement. Yeah?
Sorry, Mr. Mgamuzulu. What this question? What is it in aid of?
Sorry,
Of
ma'am.
saying Miss Molefe. I think that witness is Molefe. Miss Molefe. As Mtetwa and his colleague were coming
Yes.
towards the Khumalo house.
When they entered the house, my
Yes.
lord.
When they entered the house.
Yes.
But you're
Yes.
putting it to her that Mtetwa was told by this Molefe, Miss Molefe, that two people came
Ran.
out running towards the park.
Correct, my lord.
What do you want us to understand by that?
No, I was just narrating the statement towards the question I'm going to ask.
Yeah.
The question that I'm asking to the witness in relation to a particular paragraph is that when Mtetwa entered the house,
Yeah.
these are the objects or the exhibits they found.
Yeah, fine.
And I'm going to demonstrate that there were no cartridges or any projectiles that were found at that time on the first
Oh, I
visit.
see, they were planted.
Yes, that's what I'm driving to.
Oh, I see, okay, fine, let's hear you. I recall Mr. Numalo saying there was a cartridge or a bullet
That one is in paragraph
which was planted.
14 of Mr. Numalo's cross-examination.
That's so.
And
Okay.
paragraph 12 and 13 was cross-examination of Advocate Mnisi. Then he made a qualification in terms of paragraph 14.
Okay.
And the court intervened by saying, if he says, because something was deleted there, when they talk about a bullet found on the top of the sink, and Mr. Mteto corrected it by saying next to the kitchen, sorry, not next to the sink. So there are two contrasting statements.
No, it's a cupboard, it's not a sink.
Yes, it's just that my memory, because I'm relating this from what I've read.
Me, I know the evidence, cupboard.
Yes,
And then there were some jars there.
that's
Jugs.
correct. Which were not seen on the
Yes.
first visit.
Yes.
Yes. So what I'm putting to you, ma'am, is that satisfy yourself with that statement, but I'm not going to mislead the court. Is that when he entered for the first time, yeah? 2020, which page is that? Paragraph. So, which statement is this? Can you see? When, ma'am, that statement actually entails that the no projectile was found on the first visit of Sergeant Mteto. They entered the house. What they found, they saw the containers of liquor, the crutch, and the head, and did not mention anything about a bullet found at their first visit. And then they left to the hospital.
Okukhulunywe le statement ukuthi ke nkathi umthetho ke nozakwabo beya laphayana okuqala ayikho inhlamvu abayithola kodwa ke bathola ke amakano otshwala bathola ke induku lena yokuhamba into elimele icrash kanye futhi nesiqoko.
Then where is it? So on the second statement, yeah, that is A78. Particularly paragraph 12, 13, and 14.
A78. Is that A78?
A78, from paragraph 12 to paragraph 14.
Can I have the statement? I don't see the statement here.
Sorry,
Can I have the
Mr.
statement?
Balot. Can I-
It's A98. not S.
I said 98. A98 is A98.
This exercise of trying to elicit evidence of witnesses, we all know that it is not under cross-examination. You're reading from a statement, but Ntetwa and his colleague were taken to cross-examination by all the councils here. So their evidence is not restricted, obviously, to a statement. They said other things which were elicited by the very gentleman who's the prosecutor, Baloi, and Mr. Ramosipidi on behalf of 1 and 2, and Mr. Nisi on behalf of 3, and Mr. Mumalo on behalf of 4, Ms. Mshololo on behalf of 5, cross-examined these 2 witnesses, police witnesses,
Yes.
and elicited more evidence. So, but you are now concentrating on a statement. How does it help us? Maybe you can explain to me, I don't know.
I hear you, Malota. I have no difficulty in withdrawing that question.
Okay.
I have no difficulty at all. But the gist of what I'm going to get from you as the investigating officer, is whether did you personally, other than other investigating officer, attend to the crime scene? Did you undertook reconstruction of the crime scene?
My Lord, I never undertook any reconstruction of the scene.
Ukuthi ke ngiyeleke kwindawo yesigameko ngiyobheka ke ukuthi ke yenziwe ke kabusha ke amagama ke ukuthi ke ubone ukuthi isimo noma isimo sasi kanjani ngelanga lesigameko lesi angazeke ngiye khona lapho ngiyokwenza lokho.
And my Lord, I am part of the investigation team. I was acting on what I was instructed to do, my Lord.
Futhi ke nanjengengxenye yethimba eliphenyayo mina ngangenza lokho engangikutshelwa ukuthi angikwenze.
Before I sit, my Lord, may I approach a question? Thanks, my Lord. That concludes my cross-examination.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Ramsepedi.